So there's a brand new AI tool out right now, and this is a wild one. Not only can you use it to create some crazy cool stuff, but you can actually turn it into a way to make money online. So in this video, I'm going to break down step by step how to use it, how to turn what it creates into a real product, and how to list it for sale so people can actually buy it. The tool is called Nano Banana. It's built inside Gemini, and honestly, it's one of the best image editors I've tested so far. It literally just dropped, so you're early if you're watching this. Now, instead of just showing off what it can do, I'm going to show you how to use it to create something people already buy, and then we'll package it into a digital product. So here's one idea that works super well. Kids books. People love them, they're fun, creative, and in digital form. They're simple to sell online. So I go into Nano Banana, and to save time for this example, we're going to say, create a 5-page kids book about a dolphin with both images and text. And just like that, it starts generating the pages, full illustrations, full story in seconds. It's insanely good. So once it's done, all you have to do is download the pages one by one. And then the next step is to go over to Canva, search for a kids book template, choose a square layout, and drag the images in page by page. Delete any extra text and format it. And then boom, you just designed your own kids book. From here, you simply export it as a PDF. Now here comes the fun part, selling it. You can take that same PDF and list it on Etsy. That's the easiest place to start because there's already demand. Just search around and you'll see people with hundreds, even thousands of reviews for kids books, coloring books, and other printable products. That means they're making sales. To optimize your listing, you can use ChatGPT to write your SEO title and description. That way, you show up in the search and actually get buyers. You can also sell on Amazon if you want to scale bigger, but Etsy is the fastest way to get started. And here's another spin on it. Instead of kids books, try coloring books. Back in Nano Banana, you can prompt it with this. Make me a 5-page coloring book for kids about fish. It'll generate all the pages instantly, then you repeat the same process in Canva. And here's the kicker. Coloring books actually sell better on Etsy. So that's it. Use Nano Banana to generate the content, package it up with Canva, export it as a PDF, and sell it on Etsy or Amazon. It's simple, fast, and there's already proof that people are buying. If you want to build an online income stream using AI tools like this is one of the quickest ways I've seen to get started.